Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really cool easel card for you. This is my Batty Easel card. How cool is this front cover panel? You have that creepy bat, there's some tombstones in the background, and the jack-o'-lanterns in the front. It pops up to reveal that Halloween sentiment. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And I include an envelope as well. Now, easel cards are becoming one of the most popular card styles on my website, and I can't wait to show this to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, your cardstock, and some foam squares. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope as well as the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut everything out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines for the easel card. just like that. I'll set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer this together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the white, then the darker orange, grayish blue, charcoal, black, and then lighter orange. I'm going to speed up the video just a bit while I do this, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And set that to the side. And lastly, we can layer the sentiment layer. There we go. Set that to the side for just a minute. Now let's take our card base, go ahead and open it up, and we're going to attach the messaging panel between those two score lines. Go ahead and close the card, and you're going to add glue below this score line here in the front. Take your front cover panel and attach it to the front of the card, just making sure to line up the edges really well. Now we can open up the card, take our sentiment piece and attach some foam squares behind that. Now I know you can't see this on camera, but I do have a little X that I have created with the scoring wheel to help you where to place this sentiment. So I would just recommend centering it over that little X. And then when the card is opened up, it looks just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side so everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. I will recommend that you take the card, close it up, place it upside down inside the envelope. This is going to ensure that you create enough space for the card. Bring the side flaps in and add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Well, what did you think of this one? Isn't this design cute? Kind of creepy, maybe? But I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Paper Crafts video. Bye-bye.